Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you a mech tutorial. Yep. First you want to grab out this, I guess. Oops.
Rachel, wouldn't it be a shame if Mom and Dad found out about your secret party? Rachel. Fine, you can come. Yes, but you all have to bring a dance.
Now you want
What's a day? Hey, what's a day?
Now you wanna
Let's make a list of possible dates. What's a day?
Social activity undertaken by two people to assess their suitability for a relationship. It is also a group that makes you move.
Yeah. Hey, what about Penny? Penny? Oh, no. I just think her as a friend. Why your eyes so hearts? Oh, well, what about Carrie? Carrie? Is that here? I'll put her in the list.
wait a minute.
I said drunk.
I'm gonna redo that, guys. I made veil a little bit. I made a mess. I messed up a little bit.
What's that? Would you be the jelly in my peanut butter sandwich? What do you say, Gumball? No thanks. I already ate. Alright, buddy. It's date time!
Alright, now.
Hey, Masami! Wanna be my date? You're not really my type, because I usually like a Catholic girl. But hey, beggars can't be choosers. You're a girl, right? What? How about you, Terry? You look desperate. Was that slap? Oh, Sassy, it's your lucky day. You're my date for the party. What do you say?
Oh, cheer up, Gumball. When I was your age, I needed a date for a party, and what I said to her was, and 20 years later, we're still married.
Oh, Dad, you make it sound so easy. Are you sure you've asked every girl in class? You didn't ask Penny. Penny? She's too hot. No, not hot. No, hot. My type. Not my type. Well, if it's not Penny, there's still one girl you haven't asked. Really? Who? Oh, her. Hi, this is Gumball Watterson calling. Will you be my date for the party? No, you weren't exactly the first girl I asked, but... No, don't hang up. Please, I can beg. Yes, I'm on my family. Hey, I'm not saying that! No, please, don't hang up. I, Paul Watterson, have a stupid face, and a big stupid head, and stupid. Yeah, you
Oops. Oops, I have to do that.
More guests have arrived. Patience. Till it's in full swing.
More of your dweeb loser baby friends have arrived.
Oops.
Hey, dude, I'm trying to sleep here.
Hey, why crying? Because this is the worst party ever. I invited everybody and none of my friends turned up. We all came and we're your friends. You guys aren't my friends. You just trashed my parents' house. Tidy it up. Yeah, sure. You're gonna tidy all this up? Of course. Don't you know I'm part suckerfish? Thanks. What's your name? Solomon Rockland Paskin Ahab Sidon Nicodemus Watterson III. You don't seem so bad for a kid.
Now you wanna get on top. You wanna get on top of here. Now, what you wanna do is you wanna go inside of you. And also, Junkabot Week.
Bob, do you remember that paper plate? Oh yeah. You be the jelly in my peanut butter sandwich? I wasn't really hungry. No, silly. I was the peanut
Now
butter.
look, it
Oh,
moves your legs.
that wasn't I. You seriously didn't understand? No.
Hey, Tina, can I have the next dance? You can have this one.
I will eat your soul. Let me just say that to all the kids, a little message for all those kids out there, a little message for all those kids. Let me just say that real quick. Now, bye, guys.